How to disable comments in Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to disable the comments on Instagram, whether for a specific post or in general, let's get started. Now, for a new Instagram post, if you want to disable comments, tap on the plus icon. Select the photo or video that you want to post. Tap on the next button, and once that is done, you will land to this page. Scroll down until you see more options. Tap on it. Scroll down, and you will see an option of turn off commenting. Toggle it on and then share the reel or the post. This way, when you share the new post, the comments will be disabled for it. However, if you want to disable comments on an existing post, head over to your profile and tap on the post. Tap on the three dots and you will see the option of turn off commenting. You will see that the comment section will be removed and you have successfully disabled the comments as well. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.